When I bought my first pop filter, I was a bit confused as to exactly where it should go and how to get it to stay where it should go. In this video, I'll quickly demonstrate how to install a pop filter onto a mic stand. But if you're new to this channel, my name is Kyle, and I've created Audio University to help you learn the fundamental concepts of audio and how to apply them. If that sounds interesting to you, subscribe below. Most pop filters have a bolt that tightens down around the mic stand. Loosen that bolt enough until you can fit it around the mic stand. Keep it loose so that you can place the pop filter in the correct position. Aim to place the pop filter about 3 finger widths away from the microphone and the vocalist about 3 finger widths away from the filter. This will ensure that there's enough space between the filter and the microphone for air to be redistributed around the diaphragm. Tighten it down until it's snug. Make sure that the mount of the pop filter faces down toward the floor. If it faces any other direction, it might be so heavy that it causes your mic stand to twist. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to Audio University, and check out the website at audiouniversityonline.com. Thanks for watching.